Hello, crypto world. This is an ugly Friday afternoon to end the week. Stock market's down over 700 Dow points. The S&P's down, and this was caused by a variety of factors. Number one, consumer confidence is poor. Number two, we had Walmart reporting less than was expected earnings. We have, in addition, major figures. In particular, the legendary Stevie Cohen, who runs one of the most important hedge funds, come out and said what many people are worried about is that tariffs and Doge cuts are negative for the economy. And the market, as we've discussed, the stock market is taking the view, we'll wait and see what actually happens. He's telling you what he thinks is going to happen, and it's negative and expects a correction. And we certainly have a big sell-off today. And I got to jump over to crypto because look at this red. This is a radical reversal during the day. We literally, this is an hour chart, had Bitcoin trading 99,000. Look at it now, 95,000. This was caused not only because of all the negative attitudes toward tariffs and taxes, etc., but Bybit, the exchange, had a $1.4 billion hack. That's right, $1.4 billion. And unsurprisingly, people took their money in crypto off of Bybit's exchange. And when they do that, very often they just go and sell it because they don't want to hold it in a cold wallet if they're used to holding it in an exchange. So, of course, the whole market gets hit when we have those kind of problems with such an important exchange and people talking about how negative the economy is going to be. Plus, this is really remarkable. Coinbase continued to sell off and was down approximately 10%, despite the fact the SEC dropped its lawsuit. This tells you the sentiment of what's going on re-crypto right now when we have such a big sell-off in the equity world, and we have that incredibly large $1.4 billion hack. Now, interestingly, I immediately go to the derivative market. The maximum pain price for the last day in February remains at 100,000 with $5 billion in notional value. Now, it's hard to move the maximum pain when you have $5 billion in effect bet that way. However, on a day like this where you have a huge reversal in Bitcoin, it surprised me that it didn't move. And that's, if you will, a relatively positive event. And as if we didn't have enough bad news, we know about how important ISO 222 is to certain cryptos, in particular XRP. The Fed has delayed instituting it. The timeline has been extended by 4 months, and who knows what that actually means. But the bottom line is it's not happening as soon as many would like. Bottom line, today's bad because of all the news items we're well aware of. This weekend will be very telling because there's only crypto trading. It's not going to be influenced by the stock market. But I'm concerned that the sell-off will make people be less interested in risk products, and that's obviously crypto. So my anticipation is we're not going to see any major rally over the weekend unless we get that strategic reserve with Bitcoin. But absent that, I don't know what can help this market over this weekend.